I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
Today, we're going to show you different ways to attach a cell phone to a tripod so that you can get a much wider range of angles from this single camera. This one, we are using rubber bands and the phone case that you already have. See how the rubber bands are slipped in between the case and your phone? Okay. After the rubber bands are attached to the cell phone, then you can attach them to the tripod handle like this. And do make sure that your phone is snapped back into the case firmly. And then you can adjust this tripod handle at all these different angles. With this kind of setup, the camera attached to the tripod handle, you really can get any kind of angle that you want, from portrait through landscape, left, right, up, down. If you feel that the attachment is a little bit loose as you move into the landscape angle, you can always give the rubber bands an extra twist, like this, so that the rubber band will be holding the cell phone even more securely to the tripod handle. Okay, here's another way, because of course there are many different kinds of cell phone cases. So if you have this kind of a case and you have a somewhat longer rubber band, you can attach the rubber band through this back, the back part of the cell phone case. You see how it was done here. And then tie the ends of the rubber band firmly together and then use that to, again, attach to the tripod handle. If you don't have a case on your phone, you can still use the rubber bands. See how this is done? The only disadvantage here is that it will be less easy for you to make adjustments from the phone screen if you need to. So you might want to get any apps open ahead of time. Another way to attach a phone that does not have a case is using dental floss, something we almost all have in our houses. The first thing you need to do, because you will still need rubber bands, is to tie one end of the dental floss to the rubber band. Then stretch the dental floss out till it is a little bit longer than the width of the phone. Then tie the other end of your strand of dental floss to the rubber band as well. Next, open the back cover and slide the loop made by the dental floss and the rubber band over the back cover. Repeat with a second dental floss and rubber band loop. Then replace the back cover onto the cell phone. Attach to the tripod handle and then do a few tests to be sure that the rubber bands are not so tightly attached to the handle that they end up pulling open the cell phone. Another alternative is to use a cell phone holder, such as might be used in a car. Here we have a couple of different ones. And you place the cell phone in the cell phone holder, and then you can attach that holder to the tripod handle using a clamp or any other device you think makes it secure. For some kinds of cell phone holders, you might try a setup like this. This is attached not to the tripod handle, but to a coat hanger wire that has been inserted into the tripod base. This is using several binder clips. Here we have two big binder clips. The handle of the binder clip can be detached, allowing you to link these clips together. Then one binder clip can be attached to the tripod handle. The other binder clip can be attached to the cell phone case, like this. You can use smaller binder clips after you've attached the cell phone to make it stable. I do have a lot of previous videos on this subject, so if this doesn't quite match your circumstance, your phone or your tripod or other materials you have around, you can check out those videos because those will show you how to use a variety of other options or other things you may have in your house.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.